how to convert video to MP4. So if you want to convert your video to MP4, then what you need to do is you just need simply have VLC media player. So if you don't have your VLC media player, you can either download it from your Microsoft Store or you can download it from your browser. Once you've downloaded, you need to search for VLC and click on it. After opening your VLC media player, you need to go with media, which is on the top left. And then here you need to go with an option of convert or save. You need to click on it and go with add, which is on the right side. Select your video, go with open, click on convert and save. And here you need to go with the drop down. And here you need to select the MP4 option. Once you find the MP4 option, you need to click on it and then go with your destination file. You can go with browse and then select the save destination. After selecting, you need to go with start and it will convert your video to any format that you like. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.